Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to split 3-column bullet point in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, create a table. Go to Insert menu, click the table and select the 3-column table and insert the text into table and select the all text and insert the bullet point. And select the table, go to table design, border, no border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.